Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic and I'm also doing well. So, today I have come here with a new problem to solve. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So, while practicing our English, we have to face a lot of problems. And among those problems, I will talk about a vital problem which we face often. So, the problem is that when we practice our English, sometimes we can't find any topic and we think that I cannot practice today, right? So, if you also face problems like that, watch the video till the end. I am going to give you all the solutions of your problems. Okay, so first, when you won't be able to find any topic for practice, just come out from your room and go to a new place and start describing the place on your own words. You know, in this way, you will be able to learn English practically. When you will describe things around you, it will be very much beneficial for you and you will be able to learn new words and you will be able to know how to form sentences. Okay, this is first tip. Second tip, when you won't be able to find any topic, you can go any kind of online platforms like ChatGPT, Google, and there are so many online tools or platforms which you can use to find a topic. Just type, give me some English practice topics, and they'll provide you plenty of topics you can't imagine, and you can choose any topic and you can practice on that topic. This is second one. Third one is when you won't be able to find any topic, you can describe your daily works, what you do every single day, or what is the goal, or what is your today's goal. So this is third one. And fourth one is you can practice your English by speaking or by saying your future plans or whatever plan you have. So these are 4 tips or solutions for your problems and my problems too. So you can apply these solutions in your life while practicing your English, and it will be very much beneficial for you, just believe me. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and if you are watching the video till now, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.